Today, I'm going to introduce another research paper that aims to improve the reasoning capabilities of large language models. It's called Reverse Thinking Makes LLMs Stronger Reasoners. Here is the paper. So the main idea is that humans can reason not only from a problem to a solution, but also in reverse, starting from the solution and working back toward the problem. They believe that by training an LLM to reason in reverse, they can enhance its reasoning abilities. The way they do this is by first reversing a given question. Okay, what does that mean? For example, let's say the original question is, Emma has 2 apples and Jack has 3. How many do they have altogether? That's the original question. A reversed version might be, Emma and Jack have 5 apples together, and Emma has 2 apples. How many apples does Jack have? Here, the condition that was originally given as a statement is turned into the question in the reversed version. Okay, now let's look at the methodology. First, they use a teacher large language model. This is a high-quality pre-trained model that they don't fine-tune, but rather use to augment a question-answering dataset. Given the original question from the dataset, they first ask the teacher model to generate the forward reasoning steps along with the final answer. Then they ask the teacher model to generate a backward question. The prompt they use to instruct the teacher model to do this is described in Appendix B. They use that prompt to produce the reversed question. And then they ask the teacher model to generate the backward reasoning steps as well. So now they have the original question, the forward reasoning, the backward question, and the backward reasoning. The next step is to filter these results, because some of the forward reasoning might be incorrect according to the final answer, and there could be inconsistency between the components of the augmented sample. For example, if in the reversed question it says Emma and Jack have 6 apples together, then it doesn't match the original question's result. So the teacher model's reversed reasoning is flawed. And they filter out any incorrect data generated by the teacher model. They do this by prompting the teacher LLM to check if each question-answer pair is consistent. After filtering, the next step is to train the student model. So this is the large language model they actually want to improve using the curated dataset. They define 3 parts of the objective function. First, given the original question, train the model to produce the forward reasoning. Second, train the model to produce the backward question. Third, given the backward question, train the model to produce the backward reasoning. This way, the student LLM is trained with reverse thinking. And these 3 parts can be seen as a form of distillation from the teacher model. As for the result, their method outperforms existing data augmentation or distillation methods on various benchmarks. Thank you, that's all. You can find the link to the paper below. See you in the next video.